We up here at the tire store, finally fixing to put the Hummer wheels on the old Suburban. Got one down, 3 to go. Little old street tires. Well, we got them loaded up. I'm gonna change them out at the house, but I think I've met the mechanical limits of the back porch. If I didn't have those straps on there, yeah, she was sagging. Anyway, they're gonna look good. All right, there it is. We got these Hummer wheels on this Suburban, and I think it looks pretty good. I know it was about half and half last time I was debating on putting these on here. People like the buckshot bullet holes, whatever you want to call them other ones. They said, man, those look good on there. But these, I don't know. Just kind of reminds me of an old Jeep Wagoneer wheel or something. And it is a factory GM wheel since it came on a Hummer. So I like it. Ain't it all about what you like? Everybody don't like the same thing.